The difference between a dedicated investor who only gets access to retail-grade products compared to an investor who has access to institutional-grade investments is significant. This exclusion has a marked difference in both their returns and protection, especially in our world of unpredictable and declining markets. You see, solutions are available to larger investors. However, most of us just don't qualify on our own. Solutions exist for predictable returns, protection, and steady income by putting your cash deposits to work. Outside of these solutions, most of us are caught boxed into doing nothing with our cash or being directly exposed and vulnerable to high-risk, high-cost opportunities. And it is for this reason that Cashbox Global exists. To open up a world of opportunity for every investor by making our institutional products accessible, trusted, transparent, and highly effective. Because at Cashbox Global, we believe that every savvy investor deserves the ability to invest in the inner circle of protection and defined returns, to invest at institutional, not retail levels. So let's unpack the concept. Utilizing technology and our strong relationship with the world's largest banks, we structured these strong, predictable contracts with returns ranging from 10 to 14% per annum. The bank deals securely and confidentially with each investor's platform for their accounts, funds flow, and reporting, as they would for large investors. These solutions, known as structured notes, are contractually agreed upon and come directly from the world's largest and most trusted investment banks to you. No middlemen, no hidden costs. Your full investment is placed in income or growth notes. A steady delivery averaging over 3% per quarter, available in USD, pound sterling, and euro on request. You may ask, how is this possible? As you know, banks make money by charging you for the money you loan for your car, home, holidays, business, etc. Banks can only lend out a defined percentage of the cash they hold. Therefore, to grow their businesses, investment banks need to keep attracting large cash deposits from larger investors for longer terms. These cash deposits typically come from the largest of investors who have been loaning money to banks since they were invented. To make this attractive, banks pay above average returns and build in levels of income and capital protection for these specialized structured loans. Through Cashbox Global technology and relationships, at last, you and I can get access to the best protected income-generating assets from $10,000 or more. So in a nutshell, who are the parties that make up the Cashbox magic? Firstly, there is an investor. This could be you. And of course, you have your trusted advisor, financial planner, tax consultant, or coach that looks out for you. Any investor should have an online investor platform to hold and report on your investment assets. Then there is us, Cashbox Global. We introduce you to the deal that our partner, IDAD, has structured with the last role player, the investment bank that wants our group of investors to contract with them. And as a collective, we channel you to predictable, protected growth and income streams. Sound complicated? Not at all. This is how it works. 1. Visit Cashbox Global for our range of products and further learnings. 2. To access these investments, you require an online investor platform. Should you need a platform, there is a list of popular options on our website. 3. Once you choose your investment, we supply you with the ISIN number and a defined closing date for your subscription. 4. Now you are ready to instruct your investor platform to invest in the ISIN. 5. Then you can sit back and wait for your predictable income streams. Enjoy your returns and reinvest what you can. Cashbox Global will keep you updated throughout the process because your peace of mind is our business. Now that you know what's in the box, be poised for new opportunities. Partner with Cashbox Global and fly.